Hi everyone, this is Mike back with another weekly tech tip. Well, at the time of this video, May is here, and many of you now have your company working remotely. You're keeping some form of company culture, and your SBA loan applications are completed. Some of you have been funded, and some are still waiting to find out what's going on. The question many of you are asking now is, how do we unwind this mess? Good question. Many of our clients are reaching out to our IT advisors asking for help on how to migrate our now remote workforce to some sense of normal day-to-day. While other clients are asking us for more ways to make a remote workforce more permanent. According to a recent Gartner study, 74% of CFOs are reviewing strategies to continue with some level of remote workforce. Is that 5%, 10%, or more? One thing is for certain, remote workforce strategies are on the top of the list for many small to large companies across the country. So let me ask you this, do you have a plan? Are you ready for some of your workforce to start working once again from the office and not from home? Who goes into the office? Who gets to work from home for a bit longer or maybe forever? Important questions, and these must be a part of your overall IT strategy. This is where we come in. Our team of strategic IT advisors has our finger on the pulse. Here are 3 important questions our team is being asked from company leadership. Number 1, what changes did you make when everyone had to work from home that actually worked out pretty good and you want to keep? Number 2, what changes did you make that didn't work out well and that you want to unwind? Number 3, are you prepared for a second wave? What important lessons did we learn, and what can we prepare for in the future and avoid? Our team is ready to have a strategic discussion with you and your management team. Give us a call, drop us an email, or visit our website to schedule a consultation. IT is going to be a very important part of your corporate business plan, more now than ever before. Make sure you have the right IT services team taking care of you and making sure you're prepared for the future.